A friend of mine asked me to make her an apron with sleeves, and I'm not an expert seamstress. I'm not a seamstress at all. I just know a little bit of sewing, and these making sleeves is kind of tricky business. So I didn't know how to do that. So I came up with a plan to make her an apron. I'm using this men shirt, and first I thought maybe I'll just do something and she can wear it like this, backwards like this, and maybe I'll put some pockets and some straps on the sides. But when if you have ever tried, I didn't know that, but when you wear the shirt backwards, it feels kind of funny from here. I don't know how to explain that, but it's it doesn't feel right. So I'll be doing something. I think I'll sew the front and then I'll cut the back open. So I have thought of a plan, but let's see how it works out. So let's do it together, shall we? Yeah, let's do it. So first of all, I'll take off all the buttons. I think I'll use a knife, this blade. Let's see if this goes. It's much easier if just stretch it on one side and then so after taking all these buttons down, I'm gonna now sew the front pieces together, and I don't know, yeah, I think first I should cut the back open and then sew the front. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do now. Let's cut the back first. Well, I will cut the back from the middle, keeping a couple of inches intact with the front sides, which I will fold down later for a cleaner edge. Yeah, so I think I'll now sew the front together first, and then I will see where to make the final cut on the back. I will pin the sides together to keep it from slipping away and to keep it straight. After joining the front sides together, I got rid of the collar and rest of the back. Just checking if the fit was right, and it was. Then I marked and shaped the neckline. And also cut away the excess fabric on the back. And also I will be removing these cuffs and close the seam here using the elastic. Yeah. Okay, to finish the neckline, I'll be using this bias tape on one side and then fold it over. So this is the bias tape I got from Fabricland. So I'll start like this. I'll right side. So I'll join right side to the right side like this, and then fold it over like this. So I'll show you when I fold it over. First I'll sew this right side of the bias tape to the right side of the shirt along the neckline. So okay, now I'm gonna fold this over like this, so the neckline will be all clean like this. Ironing the bias tape makes it easier to sew, and the final result is much neater. I made tie-down straps from the waist fabric cut from the back of the shirt. I used a knitting needle to turn the right sides of the straps out. In the final touches to the apron, I hemmed or more so folded and sewed the back sides edges, and then sewed the straps to the sides and the shoulders. And finally, I attached 2 pockets to the front just the way my friend had asked for. And the apron or smock with the sleeves is all ready. I hope you enjoyed this project and this video was well worth your time. I'll see you guys soon with another DIY project. Until then, take care.